Hazard question and answer. Question. Most incidents in the workplace are caused by a combination of unsafe act and answer is C. Unsafe condition. Question. What is a hazard defined as? Answer is A. Anything that has the potential to cause harm to people, the environment, assets, and business. Question. The most common cause of incident at Saudi Aramco is failure to follow. Answer is A. Rules and procedure. Question. Hazard recognition and reporting is the responsibility of. Answer is C. Everyone. Question. Select the main safety process Saudi Aramco uses to identify hazards early to avoid incident. Safety observation checklist, joint site inspection, work permit system, hazard analysis checklist. Answer is E. All answer. Question. Why do you wear safety shoes, harnesses and lanyards? Answer is C. To prevent slip, trips and falls. Question. What indicates an area has a noise hazard requiring earplug or earmuff to be worn? Answer is A. Hearing protection required sign are present in area. Question. Mechanical energy can be hazardous if it does not have adequate. Answer is A. Guarding. Question. Select a method used to protect people on the ground from tools or equipment falling from elevated area. Answer is B. Installing barricades and sign to keep people away. Question. What is the maximum wind speed limit for crane, lift, main basket and for work on scaffold? Answer is A. Crane maximum speed 32 km per hour, main basket maximum 25 km per hour and scaffold maximum 65 km per hour. Question. When entering area where H2S concentration are equal to or above 10 ppm, testing for H2S, there is any indication of equipment failure or product leak or entering a confined space containing sour liquid or sour gases, you must wear. Answer is A. Scaba or Saba. Question. What will happen if a confined space is not properly isolated? Answer is B. Flammable, toxic, or hazardous gases could enter by accident. Question. Identify the proper angle to set a ladder against a wall before climbing. Answer is D. 75° or a 4:1 slope. Question. What must be installed on every scaffold? Answer is D. A safe means of access. Question. What is used to tell people to keep away from a scaffold? Answer is C. Barricades and warning sign. Question. What are some of the basic safety checks that should be made before accessing scaffolding? Answer. Material must be in good condition, no rusty tubing and no split board, no leaning, no evidence of collision damage, no gaps in the planks or board, toe board or fitted. Answer is F. All answer. Question. In the scarf tag process, a red tag mean? Answer is A. No access except scaffolder erecting or dismantling. Question. Identify A major hazard when using heavy equipment in an operating area. Question answer is A. The machine could hit and damage people or equipment. Question what should be done if a heavy equipment operator certificate expired yesterday? Answer is A. Prevent the operator from using the equipment. Question which two things must be checked before operating heavy equipment? Answer is D. Operator certification and safe clearance from equipment. Question which of the following must be checked before issuing a work permit to operate a crane in an operating area? Answer is B. Lift plan and operator certificate. Question what must be checked before a man lift basket can be used? Answer is C. Inspection sticker and lift plan. Question what must be done before a backhoe can dig an excavation in a hydrocarbon process area? Answer is D. Locate and mark all underground equipment and cables. Question what does soaring, benching and soaring sloping refer to? Answer is D. Preventing excavation collapse. Question what precautions must men take before they work in an excavation? Answer is D. Check soaring, benching or sloping is in place. Question which precautions should be taken to make sure people cannot accidentally fall into an excavation? Answer is A. Install barricades and warning sign. Question why is it important to keep heavy equipment, sand, rock or other debris away from the edge of an excavation? Answer is B. To keep the weight from caving in the excavation. Question excavating machine are not allowed to operate closer than how many meters from the nearest underground hazard? Answer is A. 3 meters. Question why is it unsafe to operate internal combustion engine near excavation? Answer is B. Toxic exhaust fume can build up in an excavation. Question how can you control the hazards of underground cables or utilities before starting any excavation? Answer identify and mark cables and services before digging. Use cable drawing and plans. Use cable locating device. Safe digging practice last 3 meters by hand. Answer is D. All answer. Question the heavy equipment is parked as close to the excavation as it deep. For example, if the trench is 10 feet deep, you park 10 feet away. Answer is B. False. Question how close to the edge of an excavation can heavy equipment is parked? Answer is C. 3.1 meter. Question why is it mandatory that asbestos material be kept wet with water while it is being handled? Answer is D. Water keeps the fiber from becoming airborne. Question what is the distance compressed flammable gas cylinder must be kept from those containing oxygen or oxidizers? Answer is A. 6.1 meters or 20 feet. Question identify two hazards that might be found when using compressed air driven equipment. Answer is C. Damaged hoses and missing coupling safety pins. Question why should you inspect a compressed gas cylinder before you use it? Answer is C. To make sure it is safe to use. Question. Identify two hazards that are associated with abrasive blasting equipment. Answer is D. Low visibility and ignition source. Question. Which of the following safety precautions must be used when abrasive blasting? Answer is B. Air supply hoods, deadman switch and bonding. Question. What must be provided to protect from radiation when radiography work is done? Answer is C. Time, distance and shielding. Question. Why is spray painting inside a confined space more dangerous than spray painting in an open area? Answer is A. Flammable paint vapors may become explosive in confined space. Question. Identify three safety precautions workers must take when doing abrasive blast cleaning. Answer is A. Dead man switch, respirator and bonding. Question. Why is a hot work permit required for abrasive blasting? Answer is B. It may cause an ignition source. Question. How do we control vending activities in restricted area? Answer is C. Hot work permit and assign a fire watch. Question. Why are welding, cutting and brazing tasks in confined space dangerous? Answer. Flammable atmosphere and combustible material can be easily ignited by these tasks. They increase the risk of carbon monoxide exposure. They increase the risk of low oxygen level. Answer is D. All answer. Question. For any cutting, welding or burning operation, even if a hot work permit is not issued, a qualified fire watch must be assigned. Answer is A. True. Question. What are the some of the best precautions and controls to prevent electrical fire? Answer. Regular inspection, UL listed equipment and GFCI or grounding for all portable electrical tools, good housekeeping, qualified personnel for maintenance. Answer is E. All of the above. Question. Why does Saudi Aramco organization have a specific emergency response plan? Answer. To avoid incorrect or delay response, to avoid escalation and or increased damage or casualties victims, to ensure everyone knows their roles and responsibilities, to ensure you know how to respond, report and evacuate to safe location. Answer is E. All of the above. Question. In case of emergency, you must immediately report. Answer. All work related injuries, illness or vehicle collisions, no matter how slight to your supervisor. All fire spills and releases, no matter how small to your supervisor. Any unsafe condition, practice, near miss or incident to your supervisor. Answer is D. All the answer. Question. In case of an emergency, you must answer. Follow local plans or instruction. Remain calm and stop work. Proceed immediately and safely to the designated assembly point. Remain at assembly area until the all clear is signal is given. Answer is all answer.